Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon website or Best Buy, Walmart, you never know. But the links will be down below in the description. All you gotta do is click on it and see where it takes you. But all links are gonna be safe to click. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. We have a box here, but something's inside. Here we go. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. This is coming from my good friends over at VANKYO. Check them out. This is going to be a Walmart, and they also Best Buy. So definitely check them out and see what other versions they have. But this is the brand new one. This even comes with a 100-inch screen. That's cool. Package combo. You can do your live streaming, go with Netflix, Prime Video, many other apps you choose from. 1080p native, high brightness, auto adjustment, smart streaming. We got LCD display technology, LED light source. Native is 1920 by 1080p. Installation type, you can have it at the front, the rear, or the ceiling. Speaker is a 5 watt and by 2. Dimensions, all that good stuff is there. You got ports, HDMI times 1, USB times 2, audio out times 1, AV in times 1. Mounting screw is not included. Alright, projector remote, 100-inch screen, user manual, power adapter, HD cable. So that's really cool though. They sent a screen. So Leisure 570 with screen. Officially licensed. Alrighty. 100-inch. Alright, here we go. Perfect timing for football season's kicking off now. We had the Hall of Fame game yesterday, which was not a good one. But we got SummerSlam this weekend. Gonna be popping it on the big screen. Nice white remote. Alright. AAA batteries most likely. Make sure you got stocked up on them. If not, Amazon has good batteries to purchase. You might want to get quite a few because of the holidays are coming fast. This will be good for birthdays, Christmas, you name it. Got another cable right here, HDMI, right there. But definitely super excited. Oh. Yeah, this is unusual for a combo package like this. It's one of these type of screens, but it does work really good. Simple projection screen, 100-inch, up to 120. Another. Dang, I can feel something here. Yeah, it's easy install. Simple screen install, screen fabric hooks, double-sided adhesive. We'll set it up for you guys. It'll be on the towards the end, so if you don't want to see all these unboxing, you can fast forward right about now. Oh, it's always a good thing to include cleaning stuff for your projector. Look at these Q-tips. Do not stick these in your ear, people. Be warned. It's made for cleaning. Not your ears, but the projector. Ooh, tiny. Tiny little fella. Well, we got this rolling tonight. And go. Almost done, guys. Got the manual. Yeah, simple. Leisure 570. Ooh. Look at this. 3D warranty, keep the film intact. So if you want to down the road, something goes wrong with it, there's a warranty. It'll be voided if you remove it, so don't remove it because it's not even in your way. See, there's where you can have the tripod. It has rubber stoppers right there, corners. It is super lightweight, guys. So there's the speakers, portable, leisure series. All right, that was something else coming, but there's the HDMI in, USB, USB 1, 2, headphone jack, EV jack. You can always run your Fire Sticks, PS5s, video games. It reminds me of like a kind of bigger version of a Nintendo, or almost the same size. Here's the lens cap. Ooh. Alright, we're definitely going to set this up. I'm not sure where though. I got to figure that part out. So we'll take a break here and we'll be back. Alright guys, here we go. We got it all set up. This picture is amazing, guys. I'm using my YouTube channel because I'm afraid of copyright. So here we go. But I've watched a few videos already, a few movies, and it's crystal clear, guys. Unbelievable. I'm not even using the projector screen that came with it. This is straight off my wall, and it is super clear. I'm not sure if you could see. Yeah, look at that. Whoa. Hold up. And you can see right here, it's all lit up. I don't even have no mounting cable or nothing, or tripod to hook it up, so I'm just using this speaker. It's holding. It's super quiet. Amazing quality picture coming from this little guy. You can hook up your internet, run the Prime Video, Netflix apps, and other apps they have. I'll show you. But yeah, this thing, look at this. Definitely got some good varieties. This one's like a kids network to watch free stuff. Then they got their live channels with sports, music, everything else. But yeah, this thing is amazing, guys. Check them out. Link down below. Be safe. Have a good night.